All right. So McLean, we just got done on the driving range talking pretty extensively about your natural tendency to line up to the right of your target.
Yep.
And whether you know it or not, you're hitting shots that are pulls. And your miss over the last few times that we've played together has pretty consistently been left, leaking right.
Yep.
So I believe that after watching you play, we start to see very quickly that your club path is well inside of where you probably think it is.
Yep.
And because of your tendency to hit a pull, you can hit it pretty straight, but as soon as you line up at your target, you almost always will hit it left.
Yeah. Yeah.
And miss it left.
Yep.
So what we're going to talk about is how we can get on a tee box and have a better sense of where we're aimed. Okay? So I'm going to use these two shafts as alignment aids so that we can have a better sense of where we're actually aiming. So I want you to use the stick on the left as your toe line,
Okay.
and the stick on your right as the target line.
Okay.
And go ahead and set up to that, and I just want you to tell me how it feels. Does it feel, so where do you feel like you're aimed right now?
I feel like I'm aimed a little bit to the right.
A little bit to the right?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe of where you normally would be?
Yeah.
So to me it looks like you're aimed just up the left side of the fairway. So I think that, again, we know that your tendency is to come a little bit over the top of the plane and hit it with a pretty square club face.
Yep.
So we worked on the range with a drill that was relatively similar to this, and we were trying to get the divots with your 6-iron to be in line with the shaft that's on the left.
Yep.
And when we set this up to start, we knew that all those divots were going left.
Yeah.
And so as we stood there on the range and we started to get those divots, the divot pattern working a little bit straighter, we started to see your ball flight go right at the flag.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So that situation that we created on the range is exactly the same here. So as we start to play a little bit today, and as we continue to play, we're going to be hyper focused on where you are as far as alignment goes, and